Atomera Minerals identified a number of IP anomalies on the Oversight property. To test those anomalies, to find out what was causing the IP signature, we deployed a small drill rig to test these. Now, holes OS 1802, OS 1802B, and OS 1804 gave some very contradictory results. This video offers an explanation for what happened in these different holes. Looking to the north in cross-section, we see OS 1802 drilling towards the east. At 80 meters elevation, we intersected 19.4 grams per ton, and this is in the last meter of that drill hole. We moved the drill 1 meter to the north, and at that 80 meter elevation, we did not hit any significant gold values. Looking at this in plan view, here's OS 1802. Here's where we intersected the 19.4 grams per ton. 1 meter to the north, OS 1802B, and at 80 meters elevation did not hit any significant gold values. So the first thing we have to ask ourselves, is there a nugget effect? Well, we analyzed that area 3 times. We got 19.4 grams per ton, 19.7 grams per ton, and 19.9 grams per ton. So for now, let's assume there is no nugget effect, and let's make a second assumption, and let's assume that it's caused by something geological. Now, shortly after finishing O2B, we turned the rig to the north and drilled hole OS 1804. At 80 meters elevation, we hit a 10.57 meter zone with 2.5 grams, but within that zone, we saw 2 zones that have greater than 10 grams per ton gold. Now we're starting to see something more consistent and maybe more predictable. And after a lot of 3D analysis and really thinking about this, we've come up with a solution, and that is that this is a better orientation for drilling. Perhaps we have veins that are oriented in an east-west fashion. Drill holes oriented east-west will have more variability in their intersections. Drill holes to the north or to the south will have a better chance of hitting this type of mineralization. 3D analysis of all the drill hole data in the area shows us that the mineralization is dipping to the north. Now, if OS 1804 was also drilled to the north, it may have just clipped that mineralization. A better way to drill north dipping mineralization is to move the rig to the north and drill back towards the south so we get a much better intersection, an intersection at right angles. Now, if we have east-west oriented mineralization, we do not want to be drilling in an east-west direction. What we want to do is drill to the north or to the south. And in fact, if we have a body that is dipping towards the north, we want to move our drill rig back to the north and drill southward. Once we can confirm this is the case, then we would do a much more significant drill program and really try to put together a deposit in this area that is completely untested. We have a lot of room here. We can fit something in of significant size. For more information on this, take a look at our video that shows our 3D modeling. It's on our website. And thank you very much for listening.